How to make your own sound on TikTok. If you tap on any videos on TikTok, as you know, if you tap here and if you tap on this bottom right corner right here, it will show the original guy from the sound, and people can use that sound publicly if your post is public. So I'm going to show you how to make your own sound as well. So first, you can screen record any kind of copyright free music on YouTube. You can just search for it and then use the default screen recording app, or you can use a third-party screen recording app in order to record the audio. So you just have to make sure that your audio or your video clip is on MP4 format. Once you do that, you can go back to TikTok, and here I'll just upload this video really quick. As you can see here, the audio sound is now playing this. So once you do that, just make sure you don't tap on this add sound right here, because this will add sounds from another creator and it will not be your own sound. Once you do that, just simply tap on next and then post a video. As you can see, the video is now posted. So if I tap on it, and here at the bottom right, this will be the audio right here. So the original sound will be your videos, and if people use this sound, the original sound, your profile will be shown on the original sound. And that's how you make your own sound on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.